Okay, so just wanted to get you guys started on this sheet if you weren't quite sure what to do. So all you're doing is you read a statement. You're going to decide. Some of these are always true. So no matter what, they're going to be true. Sometimes other statements are sometimes true. So it kind of depends. And then other statements are false. They're never true. So you need to read the statement, think about what you know about opposite numbers and absolute value based on what you've seen in the videos, and explain. So let's look at the first one. And again, I do find it difficult to use my mouse and write, but that's what I have. So bear with me with messy writing. A statement is finding the absolute value of a number is the same thing as changing its sign. So if I'm thinking about this absolute value, let me think about it. This is the distance from 0. Okay, changing its sign means finding the opposite number. So you could argue, because sometimes when you find the absolute value, you are going to change the sign. But I'm going to go ahead and say that this is never true. And the reason I'm saying it's never true, so in this box, I would write never true. And the reason is finding an absolute value is different. So absolute value, and we'll see if I can fit all of this. Absolute value is distance. I'm just going to put V just because that's a period, is distance. Oops, sorry. Comma, not opposite numbers. Okay, so that's pretty much all you do for each of them. You read the statement, and then you explain, you decide if it's true, only sometimes, never, or always. Let me just look at E right here. E is the absolute value of any number. A is the same as the absolute value of that negative number. So if you're not sure what to do, try plug in the number. So think, instead of A, write 2. Okay, so is the absolute value of 2 the same as the absolute value of negative 2? So think, how far away is 2 from 0? Well, that's 2. And the absolute value of negative 2 is how far away is negative 2 from 0? 2. Oh, well, look at that. Okay, so now you see that, so decide which answer you need to put here and here. Okay, and then please reach out if you have any other questions.